Good morning, my students. How are you today? I hope you are in a good condition. Okay, my student, in the last week, we have studied about addition and subtraction within 1000. Right, now we next our lessons adding with renaming. Open your book, page 34. Example number 1. Add 67 and 15. Any two tables. The first table, any 6 tens and 1 ten, and 7 ones and 5 ones. The second table, the solve it. Okay, start by adding the ones. Okay, 7 ones plus 5 ones equals is 12 ones. Okay, into 110 and 210. Rewrite the 2 ones in the ones column and the ones 10 in the tens column. Now we can add the tens. 110 plus 6 tens plus 110 equals is 8 tens. Okay, so 67 plus 15 equals is 82. Right. Okay, example number 2. Add 156 and 63. Okay, any two table. In the first table, any 100s, 5 tens and 6 tens, any 6 1 and 3 ones. The second table, to solve it, start by adding the ones. Okay, 6 1 plus 3 ones equals is 9. And we next in tens. 5 tens plus 6 tens equals is 11. 11 ten. So 11 ten, we can regroup 11 ten into 100s and 1 tens. We write the 110 in the 10 column and the 100 in the 100 column. Now we can add the 100. Okay, 100 plus 100 plus nothing equals is 200. So 156 and 63 equals is 219. Next, subtracting with renaming. Open your book, page 40. Example number 1. Subtract 46 from 95. Okay, in here, any 9 tens and 5 ones minus 4 tens and 6 ones. Okay, start by subtract the ones. 5 ones minus 6 ones cannot subtract, so we regroup 110 into 10 ones. Now we have 8 tens and 15 1. Let's subtract the ones. 15 minus 6 equals 9. Next we subtract the tens. 8 tenths minus 4 tenths equals 4 tenths. There are any 59 left blocks. So 95 minus 46 equals 49, right? Example number 2 in the page 41. Okay, subtract 60 from 225. Okay, any 200, any 2 tenths, and any 5 tenths. Okay, how to solve it? Start by subtract the ones. Okay, 5 ones minus 0 equals 5. Next, we subtract the tens. 2 tenths minus 6 tenths can subtract. So, we regroup 100 into 1 tenths. Now, we have 112 tenths. Let's subtract the tenths. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Finally, we subtract the 100. 100 minus nothing equals just 1. There are 165 left blocks. So 225 minus 60 equals 165. Okay, good. I think enough for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope all of you understand about our material today. Good morning and see you.